In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule appointments in Wix. This is an essential skill if you're using your Wix website to manage your business appointments and want to ensure a smooth booking process for your clients. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and type in wix.com. This will take you directly to the Wix homepage where the magic happens. If you haven't logged in yet, no worries. Just go ahead and click on the Login button, which you'll find in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Enter your email and password to access your Wix account. Easy as that. If your login details are already set up, you'll breeze right through. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of all your existing sites. Now, if you have several sites on your account, just locate the one you're going to work with and click the Select and Edit Site button. This click will whisk you away into the site's management area where all options specific to this website await you. Our destination now is the Catalog section. You can easily find this on the left-hand sidebar of the dashboard. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear, showing various options, including booking services. Go ahead and click on Booking Services. This will lead you to the section where you can manage your appointments. Now that we're right where we need to be, let's get down to setting up an appointment. Look for the Appointment tab or button. Clicking on it will reveal any existing appointments you might have or templates you can choose from. Your task is to pick an appointment that suits your current needs, or you can certainly create a brand new one from the ground up. Wix provides a variety of templates and layouts for you to explore and choose from. Select one that aligns best with your business requirements. Once you've chosen an appointment, click on Add to include it in your services list. Here's where you can really tailor this appointment to your business needs. Customize details such as the appointment's duration, cost, and description, making sure everything is just right according to your guidelines. It's wise to take the time to ensure each field is accurately filled in, as this information will be visible to potential clients when they schedule a booking. Don't forget this crucial step. Save your changes once you're satisfied with the settings. This ensures that all the information you've entered is securely stored and will appear accurately on your site's booking page. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an appointment on your Wix site, ready for your clients to book. This not only helps streamline your booking process, but also enhances the overall user experience on your website. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and happy scheduling.